Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Pick List. Today we're checking out the top 10 best engine oil filters for your car. A quality filter is your engine's first line of defense, trapping harmful contaminants to prevent wear and ensure smooth performance. I've researched and compared the leading brands to find the best protection for your investment. We're looking at filters with superior filtration media for maximum dirt-holding capacity and durable construction that stands up to long oil change intervals. Getting this right is crucial for your engine's health and longevity. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Purolator Engine Oil Filter for Car. The Purolator Engine Oil Filter is perfect for car owners who demand superior engine protection and reliable performance. Featuring advanced synthetic media technology, this filter provides exceptional filtration efficiency, capturing harmful contaminants as small as 20 microns to keep your oil clean and your engine running smoothly. Made from durable materials, it is engineered to withstand high pressures and temperatures, ensuring consistent oil flow and protection for the life of the filter change. Its robust construction and anti-drain back valve prevent dry starts by maintaining critical oil pressure. Whether you drive a daily commuter or a performance vehicle, this essential maintenance component safeguards your engine's longevity, making it a trusted choice for informed drivers seeking quality and peace of mind. K&N 20,000 Mile Engine Oil Filter for Car. The K&N 20,000 Mile Engine Oil Filter is perfect for drivers seeking extended protection and superior engine performance with fewer changes. Featuring a heavy-duty canister and a premium synthetic blend filtration media, this filter is engineered to trap harmful contaminants for up to 20,000 miles between replacements. Its robust construction includes a nut welded to the base for easy installation and removal with standard tools, making oil changes a simpler, cleaner process. Made from high-quality materials, it ensures consistent oil flow and excellent engine protection under various driving conditions. Whether you drive a high-performance vehicle or a daily commuter car, this durable filter provides exceptional longevity and reliability, making it an essential upgrade for maintaining your engine's health and efficiency. K&N Fits Full Engine Oil Filter for Car. The K&N Performance Oil Filter is perfect for drivers who demand superior engine protection and simplified maintenance. Featuring a heavy-duty canister and premium synthetic filter media, it provides exceptional filtration to trap harmful contaminants and ensure clean oil flow. Its most notable feature is the easy-to-use 1-inch nut welded to the top, which allows for tool-free installation and removal, making oil changes a quick and clean process. This robust filter is engineered for high performance and durability, withstanding the pressures of demanding driving conditions. Whether you drive a daily commuter or a high-performance vehicle, the K&N oil filter delivers reliable protection and unmatched convenience, making it an essential upgrade for any car enthusiast or practical owner. Fram TG 997215K Engine Oil Filter for Car. The Fram TG 997215K engine oil filter is perfect for car owners seeking extended protection and superior engine performance. Featuring advanced synthetic blend media, this filter is engineered to trap and hold 95% of dirt and contaminants for up to 15,000 miles, ensuring your engine oil stays cleaner for longer. Its durable steel base plate and housing provide a secure, leak-free seal that withstands high pressure and temperature fluctuations. Equipped with a silicone anti-drain back valve, it prevents dry starts by keeping oil in the filter when the engine is off, which reduces wear on critical components. This reliable filter offers peace of mind through its robust construction and extended service interval, making it an essential upgrade for anyone committed to maximizing their vehicle's engine life and efficiency. K&N 20,000 Mile Engine Oil Filter for Car. The K&N 20,000 Mile Engine Oil Filter is perfect for drivers seeking superior engine protection and extended service intervals. Featuring a heavy-duty canister and premium filter media, this high-performance filter is engineered to trap harmful contaminants for up to 20,000 miles between changes. Its robust construction includes a nut welded to the base for easy installation and removal with standard tools, making oil changes a simpler, cleaner process. Made with high-quality materials, it ensures consistent oil flow and protects critical engine components from wear, promoting long-term reliability and efficiency. Whether you drive a high-mileage vehicle or simply demand the best for your engine, this durable filter is an essential upgrade for maintaining optimal performance and peace of mind on the road. Wix Engine Oil Filter for Car. The Wix engine oil filter is perfect for car owners who demand superior engine protection and long-lasting performance. Featuring a high-quality synthetic blend media, this filter is engineered to trap harmful contaminants and particles effectively, ensuring only clean oil circulates through your engine. Its durable steel casing and robust anti-drain back valve are designed to withstand high pressure and prevent dry starts, which reduces engine wear during ignition. Made from premium materials, it offers exceptional filtration efficiency and reliability for extended oil change intervals. Whether you drive a daily commuter or a performance vehicle, the Wix engine oil filter provides essential defense for your engine, making it a trusted choice for maintaining optimal vehicle health and longevity. BOSCH 3330 Audi engine oil filter for car. The BOSCH 3330 Audi engine oil filter is perfect for Audi owners seeking reliable engine protection and optimal performance. Featuring a robust steel housing and advanced synthetic filter media, this oil filter is engineered to trap harmful contaminants and particles with superior efficiency. Its precision-designed anti-drain back valve prevents dry starts by keeping oil in the engine when shut off, while the sturdy base plate ensures a leak-free seal. Made from high-quality materials, it meets or exceeds strict OEM specifications for a perfect fit and dependable operation. This essential maintenance component safeguards your engine's longevity, ensuring smooth operation and contributing to sustained fuel efficiency for every journey you take. ACDelco engine oil filter for car. The ACDelco engine oil filter is perfect for car owners who demand reliable protection and peak engine performance. Featuring a high-quality filtration media, this filter effectively traps harmful contaminants like dirt, metal particles, and sludge before they can circulate through your engine. Its durable construction includes a sturdy casing and a reliable anti-drain back valve, which helps prevent dry starts by keeping oil in the filter when the engine is off. Made to meet or exceed OEM specifications, it ensures a precise fit and consistent oil flow for your specific vehicle. This robust design promotes long engine life and maintains efficient lubrication. Whether you're performing a routine oil change or seeking dependable aftermarket parts, the ACDelco engine oil filter is an essential component for maintaining your vehicle's health and longevity. BOSCH 3323 MDX engine oil filter for car. The BOSCH 3323 MDX engine oil filter is perfect for car owners who demand superior engine protection and reliable performance. Featuring a robust steel housing and advanced synthetic filter media, this oil filter is engineered to trap harmful contaminants like dirt, metal particles, and soot with exceptional efficiency. Its high-quality construction ensures consistent oil flow and maximum dirt-holding capacity, which helps to reduce engine wear and extend the life of your vehicle's vital components. Equipped with a reliable anti-drain back valve, it prevents dry starts by keeping oil in the engine when shut off. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or a professional-grade oil change, this filter is an essential, trusted choice for maintaining optimal engine health and smooth operation on every journey. Fram XG7317P20K engine oil filter for car. The Fram XG7317P20K engine oil filter is perfect for drivers seeking extended protection and superior engine performance. Featuring advanced synthetic blend media, this filter is engineered to provide exceptional filtration for up to 20,000 miles, effectively trapping harmful contaminants that can cause engine wear. Its durable construction includes a silicone anti-drain back valve that prevents dry starts by keeping oil in the engine when it's off, ensuring critical lubrication from the moment you turn the key. Equipped with a sturdy metal base plate and a grippy texture for easy installation, this filter offers reliable performance under high heat and pressure. Whether you drive a high-mileage vehicle or simply demand the best protection for your engine, the Fram XG7317P is an essential component for maintaining long-term engine health and efficiency.